Okay, so I go outside because I'm going to do some work in my garden today. And I'm like, well, I'm looking at the top of my netting and I'm seeing like all these bees. And I'm like, wow, what is going on? Why is there so many bees um, right above my gardening netting? Take a look at this and listen. Shh, listen. Do you hear that? That is the sound of over 300 bees in a tree in a bee's colony. Listen, amazing. Oh my God. I've never seen anything like this in my life. There are so many bees, you can hear them like hummingbirds. Look at all these bees. Now, I encourage bees to be in your garden, but I have never seen a bee colony or a beehive as phenomenal as the one that is in the top of this tree. See that black mass up there? Listen. That is incredible. You can literally hear them. That is how many bees are up there. That is well over. It's got to be well over 600 bees. Well over 600 bees in this beehive. Look at that. Amazing. The power of nature. Look at that. Incredible. Well, I guess I don't have to worry about encouraging bees to come to my garden because, geez, that's plenty right there. Incredible. They're starting to calm down a little bit. They're not as spread out. You can look really super close. That black mass is a colony of bees. Wow, that's amazing. It's a beehive like this in a tree. I've never seen that ever in my life. Wow. And they were just over my garden. Well, bring on the assistant pollination moment, of course. But that was incredible. That was amazing, incredible, phenomenal. Trying to see if I can get this at a different angle. Let's see. All right, you guys see in the tree right there? That mass, that's the beehive. Wow. Phenomenal.